Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make an animated timeline in Google Slides to make your presentation more exciting, professional, as well as eye-catching, to impress your viewers. Here I am on an empty Google Slides. I'm going to be using shapes. I'm using rectangle here. You can change the color to whatever you want. Now I'm going to use another shape, which is circle, and the circle is going to be like the point of the timeline, with the border being transparent, which is awesome. So now I will add a round corner rectangle. Here I will insert an image. You can add the image from your device or from Google. Let's add it through Google. Now adjust the image in this shape. Now add a description text below the image. Also add a title above the shape. Now group this whole thing into one. Now repeat the same process to complete the other timeline. And also don't forget to update the content. Okay, great. Now let's add the animations. If you have the animation tab open, you can just get to it by right-clicking any object and hitting animate. I want to make this fly in from the left, so I'm going to play this and it should fly in from the left. Next, I will add a zoom into this circle and it will continue with the previous. Now select the below group selection and add a fade in animation, as well as select the continue with previous. Let's play it and see how cool it looks. Now animate the second chunk by selecting it as well as do animate the third selection. Now let's play and see how it looks. So, fascinating. And that's how you can make an animated timeline in Google Slides in 2025. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.